Hi guys, you are watching TechBros English. In this video, I am going to show you how you can enable default call recording in your Samsung Galaxy F22 mobile. Guys, with the help of this method, you can also enable default call recording in other Samsung mobiles. So first of all, open dialer. Now open this setting icon. Now open settings. Now open record calls. And from here you can enable auto record calls. Now your call recording is enabled. Now dial any number. And now you see your call is recording. Now we have ended call. Now if you want to see your recorded calls, then open Samsung folder, open My Files and open Audio folder. Now you see Call folder, and from here you can check all your recorded calls. Guys, with the help of this method, you can also record calls in other Samsung mobiles. If you have any question, please comment, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.